Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.